When it comes to studying medicine abroad, not all medical schools offer the same level of technology-integrated hands-on experience and clinical training. In fact, many programs around the world are still heavily reliant on textbook learning or outdated 2D models, leaving students with limited exposure to real human anatomy. At BIMS, we do things differently. Our students are educated by the expert faculty, along with the plastination-preserved real human cadavers, seamlessly integrated with cutting-edge ANATOMAGE virtual dissection tables and AR-powered Microsoft's HoloLens. This hands-on, tech-integrated approach ensures students are not just prepared for exams, but for real-world clinical practice. From day one, BIMS equips you to pursue USMLE and global licensing pathways with confidence. Because the future of medicine needs doctors who are trained right, with experience that truly matters.